Hello there, my name is Andrew and I'm a curator for rocks and minerals at National Museum Wales, Cardiff. As part of our amazing astronomy weekend, I want to tell you something about this amazing little specimen here, and I'm going to try to do it in 60 seconds. Okay, here we go. This is an achondrite meteorite, which is a group of stony meteorites that have gone through melting and change. It was part of a much bigger meteorite that fell to Earth in Libya and was found in 1998. When scientists looked at this meteorite, they found that its composition was exactly the same as some of the rocks brought back from the moon by NASA astronauts. So this meteorite has actually come from the surface of the moon, but it wasn't the NASA astronauts that brought it back. So the only way this meteorite could have got to Earth was if a big meteorite smashed into the lunar surface with enough force that it threw debris out into space away from the gravitational pull of the moon, and these bits floated around in space, and luckily enough the Earth crossed paths with some of these fragments, and this meteorite fell to Earth in Libya, and somebody came along and collected it in 1998, and I think that's pretty cool.